Good morning, RTPC. Beautiful Sunday morning. Looks like we're going to have another warm day. Turn my phone off. Sitting down here in my garage, enjoying, in the pipe parlor, enjoying some fireside. We're supposed to get up to 77 degrees today. I'll believe it when I see it. I sure want to feel it. So do you ever have one of those mornings where you're like, it's finally been nice and we like to sleep with the windows open, right? And we're sleeping. And usually we're up early. So this morning I thought, well, I'd like to sleep in a little bit. Preaching at church this morning. And about 6 a.m. I wake up and we have the windows open to this hammering sound. Like a mini jackhammer. And we knew what it was right away because it's happened a couple times. So my wife claps her hands out the window to try to scare this thing away. Woodpecker. We thought he was under our deck. He wasn't under our deck. As I sit in the Bearded Welshman's pipe parlor, I'm looking out and I hear this hammering just like I'm hearing in the morning. And I look across and up on the spouting, on the edge of the spouting, is this stupid woodpecker. He's pecking at the metal on the spouting. As if to say, yep, it's me. Good morning. So, well, I ended up getting up, getting a shower, getting dressed, reading a little bit, going over my notes for the last few minutes, enjoying a good cup of coffee, black of course. And a pipe. Just trying to relax before we head off to church. Oh, well. Ain't nothing like waking up on a Sunday morning to the sound of a woodpecker pecking at the metal spouting on your roof. I'll tell you what, beats the sound of them motorcycles running up and down the highway in the middle of the night. I don't know what's worse, there's motorcycles with the loud pipes or the big rigs with the Jake brakes. The Jake brakes, they need them. They got to slow down as an off-ramp, right? Those motorcycles, they don't need to rev them up that high. And I'm talking everything from crotch rockets to the big old Harley Davidsons with the loud, I call them thunder pipes. I like bikes. I had one. But at 1 o'clock in the morning, no, I don't like hearing that. So I'll take that woodpecker any day. So, well, y'all have a good day. Have a good Sunday. Enjoy it. Get up, go to church. If you're doing online church, enjoy your Sunday. God bless. God loves you. So do I. Light 'em up.